how to make specific group notifications vibrate default on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make specific group notifications vibrate default on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any group you want, like this one, and then click on group profile, and here you will find custom notification. Just click on it, and then here you will see vibrate, select it and then select default. And now all you need to do is just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to make it default. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.